My candidates, per video we'll be looking at quinary addition, adding in base 5. So when we're adding in base 5, there are certain rules that we follow. For example, when our sum is less than 5, we do not carry. For example, carry 2 plus 2. But when our sum is greater or equal to 5, that's when we have to carry. For example, 3 plus 4 is known as 7. 7 is greater than our base, so we have to divide by 5 and we get 1 remainder 2. As usual, tunonyora remainder edu and our answer we carry to the next column. We start adding our example column by column and start with the rightmost column. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 divided by 5 we get 1 remainder 2, so we write 2 and carry 1. Then we say 4 plus 3 plus 1 our carry, we get 8. 8 divided by 5 we get 1 remainder 3, so we write our remainder 3 and carry 1 to the next column. 2 plus 1 our carry, we get 4. 4 is less than 5, so we write there's no carry. So variable iri 4 3 2 base 5. In quinary addition, when our sum becomes 5 or more, we have to carry to the next column. In base 5, when adding, when our sum becomes 5 or more, we have to carry to the next column. For base 5 can only represent 0 to 4 digits.